probably the most exciting part of the car, right? The engine bay, where the car gets all the power, all that fun stuff. So I have the Sport Edition, and with the Sport Edition for the 2021 Genesis G70, it comes with a 3.3 liter turbocharged V6 engine. It produces about 365 horsepower, which is a good amount. It's over double what the Malibu was. That's at about 6,000 RPMs, and then about 376 pound-feet of torque at about 1,300 RPMs. The 0 to 60 time is also pretty good as well. It's at about 4.8 seconds, which is pretty good. I mean, right in that 5-second range, and that's with all-wheel drive. If you do get the rear-wheel drive option, it's at about 4.5 seconds, which also isn't too bad. But again, the Malibu was at about 8-10 seconds in that 0 to 60, so this is obviously a big improvement. But remember, the Malibu was not made for speed.